my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Let's get into how to replace a screen on your Dell Latitude. Okay, so I'm going to take my pry tool and I'm going to go ahead and start loosening the screen bezel, being careful not to put any pressure on the screen itself. Also keep in mind that there is no power running to this laptop. It is unplugged, both the battery and the power cord. So as you can see, I'm gently taking my fingers and pulling it off because there is some sticky tape that is holding it down. Now I've done this many times, so it looks a little bit easier. It might be a teeny bit harder for you, but don't worry. Just make sure not to put too much strain on the bezel or to push on the screen. Now I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to take off all the screws. There's 4 holding it down. The pry tool and the screwdriver is in the description down below, the link for it on Amazon. Now I'm pulling back the plastic to get to the plug itself, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can see the plug better. I'm removing this blue piece that's under the plastic, it's just a piece of rubber, and then I'm going to lift up this arm and I'm going to unplug it just like so. Now, in order to install it, I'm going to reverse the process. I'm going to take that plug and I'm going to plug it back in, being careful not to force it, because you can actually bend the prongs and then you just create more headache. So like so, I put it in gently and I put the bar down gently, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the blue piece of rubber back on, and then I'm going to put the tape over the whole thing like so. Now, time to put the whole thing back together. Put the screen back on, making sure it's safely in there and that the cord is for the screen is properly put in place. So I'm putting the screws back in, making sure everything's nice and tight as it should be. Once again, readjusting the cord because you really want that cord to be the way it was before. And now I'm going to put the bezel on, push, 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 and we're done. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.